Welcome back. Ponte MLA Lavu Mamladar has alleged scam in Ponte municipality. He said 215 labourers in Ponte municipality are ghost workers. They do not exist but get paid. Urban Development Minister Francis D'Souza has assured preliminary investigation into the matter.
Speaker sir, municipality कडे 380 labourers आसा आणि हे 380 जर labourers फोंड्यान काम करीत रस्त्यार किंवा खंयच एक फसकाची काडी दिसची ना अशें म्हाका सांगपाचें आसा. तेतूंचे 215 लोकांचो फक्त पोंडा म्हणून तांचो एड्रेस ना काय ना. हांवें चौकशी केली जाल्यार म्हाका ते सांगता की आमचे कडेन फक्त बोटां घेतल्या आनी आमचे कडल्यान आमकां 100 रुपया दिल्या हे फक्त बोटांचे ठशे घेवपाक. तेंचे डिटेल एड्रेस ना. 215 अशे लोक आसा आनी प्रिमा फेसी ह्याच खातीर म्हणटा की मिसअप्रोप्रिएशन आसा.
स्पीकर सर, आमदारान सिरियस एलिगेशन केल्ले आहा, गंभीर सारकें. म्हणजे कितें बोगस हे आहा, रजिस्टर आहा आनी लोक काम करनासतना पयशे घेता. ताजो अर्थ दिसता म्हाका, पूण हेजेर चवकशी करची पडटली. एक प्रिलिमिनरी एन्क्वायरी जावपा जाय.
चौकशी करून मागीर ऑफेन्स जाय जालें.
In a defamation case filed by Sanatan Sanstha, main accused editor of Marathi Weekly Chitralekha, Jnanish Maharao, social activist Shyam Manav and other 5 accused have pleaded not guilty. Petitioner Sanatan Sanstha has complained that all the accused published and distributed defamatory articles against Sanstha, damaging its reputation. Late Narendra Dabholkar was also one of the accused in this matter, but court has deleted his name. Panji JMFC court on Friday finalized substance of accusation against 7 accused in a defamation case filed by Sanatan Sanstha. Sanstha has filed a defamation case against editor of Marathi Weekly Chitralekha, Jnanish Maharao, owner of Weekly Chitralekha, publisher and printer Mitrajit Bhattacharya, writers Sandhya Pawar, Mukund Kule, Bhanudas Adbai, prominent activists of Anshraddha Nirmulan Samiti, Shyam Manav and late Narendra Dabholkar. Petitioner Sanatan Sanstha has complained that all the accused wrote, published and distributed defamatory articles against Sanstha in Marathi Weekly Chitralekha, damaging its reputation.
चित्रलेखा या साप्ताहिकामध्ये 7 जुलै 2008 ला सनातन संस्थेवर एक कव्हर स्टोरी छापून आलेली आहे. काही लोकांच्या मुलाखतीवर आधारित आणि माझ्या एका आर्टिकलवर आधारित ही संपूर्ण कव्हर स्टोरी आहे. त्यामध्ये आम्ही सनातन संस्थेचं आणि डॉक्टर जे.बी. आठवले त्यांचे संस्थापक यांचं खरं स्वरूप लोकांपुढे मांडले आणि ते त्यांचं डिफेमेशन झालं म्हणून त्यांनी या पद्धतीची केस इथे पणजीमध्ये दाखल केली. जेव्हा की पणजीच्या किंवा गोव्यामधल्या कोणत्याही आश्रमाविषयी काही लिहिलेलं नव्हतं तरी केवळ आम्हाला त्रास देण्यासाठी म्हणून इतक्या दूर ही केस दाखल केलेली आहे.
Court has deleted name of late Narendra Dabholkar from the list as the accused is no more. Court has finalized substance of accusation against remaining 7 accused, but all the accused pleaded not guilty.
The substance of accusation under 303 of CRPC, they explain whether you have been guilty or not. So, Tanjan denial, and second, he has been permanently exempted because last time we have filed application for permanent exemption, and on that honorable judge has passed the order exempting permanently till the further order.
The court has adjourned the hearing in this matter on 29th September. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. India's first off-road rainforest challenge event will be staged in Goa from Saturday to Thursday. The event has been divided in 4 stages. The first stage, called Prologue, will be held at Donapal on Saturday and Sunday. The participants will then move into more serious stages called Predator, Terminator and Twilight Zone. From Monday, the 4th Gurkha RFC India event is a new chapter of the International Rainforest Challenge of Malaysia. The winner of the India event will qualify for the mother event in Malaysia.
Louis V is the man behind the Rainforest Challenge, the International Off-Road Challenge of Malaysia. V masterminded the event back in 1997. Since, the RFC has gone global with events in Italy, Russia, Sri Lanka, Vietnam, Tunisia, China and Australia. V is happy that India is slowly rising in the off-road motorsport.
The touring people who are already here, they are already winners before you start the event, because this is the historic start for India in a 4x4.
Cougar Motorsport have brought one of the most demanding 4x4 extreme off-road event to India for the first time. The truly adventurous sports tourism event to be held in Goa will have the eyes of all off-road enthusiasts in the country on the state known mostly for its beaches. Ashish Gupta revealed that it will be an annual event in the state, although he is yet to get a long-term permission from the government.
But as of now, the approval we've taken is for the event this year. Cougar Motorsport has taken a franchise from the Rainforest Challenge Malaysia to run this event in India initially for a period of 3 years, which is then extendable further. So the event is definitely going to happen in India. It's a question of whether it will happen in Goa every year or not.
On Friday, the organizing officials scrutinized the vehicles of the participants for their working condition as well as suitability for the event. For Force Motors, RFC India gives an opportunity to test their Gurkha model. RFC India will cover a total distance of 230 kilometers from south to north Goa. 2 campsites have been identified, one at Bhati in Sange and another at Morle in Sattari. For a beautiful state that has just been stereotyped into sun, sand and sea brand of tourism, the Force Gurkha Rainforest Challenge could just be the start of big-time sports tourism events in Goa. Sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar from Dona Paula.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.